In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post video to LinkedIn. If you want to share updates, promote your work, or simply make your content more engaging, posting a video on LinkedIn is a great option. The process is straightforward, and once you know where everything is, you can upload videos quickly and make them look more polished before publishing. To get started, go to your LinkedIn feed. At the top of the page, you'll see the area where you normally create a post. Click Start a post to open the post creation window. This is where you'll prepare everything before your video goes live. Next, look for the video icon, which usually looks like a small video camera. In some versions, you may instead see an Add Media button. Click that option to begin uploading your video. Your computer's file browser will open, allowing you to choose the video file you want to post. Find the correct file on your computer, select it, and confirm the upload. Depending on the size of the video and your internet speed, this may take a few moments, so give it a little time to process. Once the video has been added, you can improve how it appears to viewers. Look for the edit icon, which is often shown as a pencil. Click that if you want to upload a custom thumbnail. A custom thumbnail can help your post look cleaner and more professional, and it can also encourage more people to stop and watch. If you have subtitle files prepared, click Captions to upload an .srt file. Adding captions is especially helpful for accessibility, and it also improves the viewing experience for people who watch videos with the sound off, which is very common on social media. After that, add the text for your post. This is where you can provide context, explain what the video is about, or include a short message that encourages people to engage. You can also add hashtags to help your post reach the right audience and make it easier to discover. Keep your wording clear and relevant to the video so the post feels focused and professional. When everything looks the way you want it to, click Post. Your video will then be published to LinkedIn and appear in your feed for your network and audience to see. That's all it takes to post a video to LinkedIn. With the right thumbnail, clear captions, and strong post copy, you can make your video more effective and more accessible from the start.